What is this thing?
Pie maker.
Does it just make pies?
No, you can make pie clips in there.
Okay, pikelets and pies. God knows whether this thing will run it. It's only 800 watt output, but we will see. Bang, overload. Does not surprise me. Alright. Now I'll see what it really pulls. That's the pie maker. 1360. Sandwich maker. Oh, overload. Got to about 600. Alright, sandwich maker again. 15, 16. 1608. Full size rice cooker. And that's on one setting, so we'll put it on to cook. Oh, damn. That's interesting. Didn't say AC overload. There's a different warning. Okay, no idea. Went to 700. Alright, I'm gonna try the EB3A again on that thing. Okay, seems to be alright. I'm putting this one up because I frequently forget about it myself. The through the app on the either iOS or Android, and the Bluetti app, you can control any of the Bluettis that have Bluetooth connectivity, like for example the EB3A. Now, something I always forget is in the EB3A you can adjust the charging speed. So you've got choice of silent, standard and turbo, and you access that by going to the settings on the app. If I can get that to focus. Yeah, there we go. And see, under charging mode you've got standard, turbo and silent. Now what that does is silent reduces the fan. I'll plug it in and show you here. Silent reduces the charge rate well, actually they all control the charge rate. So basically silent is 100 watts and standard is 265 and turbo is 350.